Hello students, welcome back to VKA Commerce Talks. In today's session, I'll be discussing with you the partnership topic, the fundamentals of the partnership topic, the basic concepts. From this particular topic, I have done my previous videos where I have discussed the calculation of interest on drawings, both on product method as well as on average method. Continuing with the same topic, one more possible 6 marks question, that is preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. Before we start solving the problem, a few basic concepts of how to prepare or why do we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. This account is basically prepared to record only those adjustments which are relating to the partners. I have prepared one format on profit and loss appropriation account. Let's see what the first and foremost item what comes in profit and loss appropriation account is transfer the profit. By profit and loss account, net profit transferred. In case if there is a loss, the entry comes on the debit side. Okay. Now see what are the adjustments here. Basically, you may come across max to max 4 adjustments. One is interest on capital. The first adjustment is to interest on whose capital? Partners capital. Generally, this interest on partners capital they will be giving you in the form of a percentage. You have to calculate this interest on capital using that percentage on the opening capital of the partners, which will be given the ready-made in the question. So what is our first adjustment in profit and loss appropriation account? Interest on partners capital, yearly interest. Second one, the remuneration. Remuneration means salary, bonus or commission. One partner is salary kodtirbodu, innond partner is commission kodtirbodu, innond partner is bonus kodtirbodu. All the three, you may get all the three or any one or two of that. So the second adjustment relating to the partners is to salary or bonus or commission payable to the partners. Okay. The third adjustment which comes in the profit and loss appropriation account is if any partner has given loan to the firm, then the firm has to give him the interest. So to interest on partner's loan. Akasmat yadar partner firmige loan kottidda andra firm nalonge batti kodtare. Batti kododakke interest on partner's loan anteli. Third adjustment. And the fourth adjustment is by interest on drawings. Already we have done the problems on calculation of interest on drawings. Here, where to record interest on drawings? We record interest on drawings in the P&L appropriation account credit side. Now, one thing I have to mention on interest on drawings here is interest on drawings ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇದು directly amount ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಅವರು drawing interest on ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಅವರು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರೇಜ್ 6 months. Remember students, this is very important adjustment here. Interest on drawings, I repeat once again, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ 300 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees, 600 rupees ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರಂದ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಎರಡನೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ interest on drawings at 5% per annum, 6% per annum, 10% per rate of interest on drawings percentage ಕೊಟ್ರ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ you have to calculate only for 6 months here. So, which are the adjustments now? Once again, adjustment. Very easy topic it is. First, net profit transferred, net loss idre ee kade. 3 adjustments comes on the debit side. Yavavu interest on capital, salary, commission or bonus payable to the partners, and interest on partners loan. Ee kade one adjustment, interest on drawings. Then we have to close this account. Close hengpa andra credit side ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ profit will transfer to the partners capital account. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ debit side ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you transfer this money to the credit side. How do you close the account here? Iga, when we record all the adjustments, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Debit figures, credit figures observe ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Credit side total ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ 3-4 ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ ಇದೇನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಲಾಸ್ ಬೈ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಬೈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೈತಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. If debit side amount is more, the resultant figure will be the loss. Profit ಇರಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. In their profit sharing ratio you have to distribute this. It's a possible 6 marks question in the exam. So without wasting much of the time, let us start solving the first problem. Okay students, let's see the first problem. I think the problem is displayed on the board here. We can just zoom in the problem to see the question. What is the question now? Shreshtha and Jyeshtha commenced business in partnership on 1/4/2024 with a capital of rupees 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively. So who are the partners here? Shreshtha and Jyeshtha. When did they when they commenced the business? On 1st of April 2024 with a capital of rupees 4 lakhs and 3 lakhs. So Shreshtha's capital is 4 lakhs and Jyeshtha's capital is 3 lakhs. Okay. Respectively agreeing to share the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So what is this 3:2? The old ratio of the partners. For the year ending 31st March 2025. So the year end is 31st March. They earned the profits of rupees 66,000. So net profit transferred is 66,000 rupees before allowing interest on capital at 5% per annum. Interest on drawings, Shrestha 2000, Jyeshtha 1500, yearly salary to Shrestha 6000, commission to Jyeshtha 4000. Okay, their drawings during the year, Shrestha 40,000 and Jyeshtha 30,000. Question is prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now here in this particular problem they are asking us to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. According to the format just now what we discussed here, what are the adjustments come? We have 4 adjustments here. 3 adjustments comes on the debit side and 1 adjustment comes on the credit side. Which are the 3 adjustments coming on the debit side? Interest on capital, salary, bonus or commission payable to the partners and interest on partners loan. And one adjustment which comes on the credit side is interest on drawings. Now here in this problem they have given you the capital as well as they have given you the drawings. Capital ಮತ್ತು drawings ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ profit and loss appropriation account ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಏನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲೇ? ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Capital ಮತ್ತು drawings just information to calculate interest here. Okay, so what is the first amount? What we take here? The net profit transferred. What is the net profit before making the above adjustments? 66,000 rupees. So it comes here by profit and loss account. In the bracket what you should write? Net profit transferred. How much is the net profit transferred here? That is 66,000. You can write this figure in the outer column directly. So what is the net profit transferred? 66,000 rupees. Okay. Now what are the adjustments here? Interest on capital at 5% per annum. Where do we record it? Here. 2. Interest on capital. To interest on capital and bardu, just draw the underline this interest on capital. If brother, what is the interest on capital? 5%. Interest on capital ಎದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Naturally on the opening capital ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So I'll just use the first letter of the partner, but you write full in the exam. Shrestha. You have to show the short calculation here. Shrestha. Shrestha, the capital is 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs into what is the interest on capital? 5%. 5% andra 5 by 100 for into 1 andra for 1 year. PTR upon 100 principal into rate. So 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs mele 5% andra 40,000, 20,000 rupees. I will write this in the inner column. 20,000 rupees. This is interest on Shrestha's capital. Jyeshtha. What is Jyeshtha's capital? 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs into 5 by 100 into 1. That 3 lakhs 5% andre 30,000, 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees is the interest on Jyeshtha's capital. Draw the double line, total this. You can write in the outer column 35,000. So what is interest on capital? How much we get here? 35,000 rupees. Okay. Come to the second adjustment. Interest on drawings. Interest on capital debit side. Interest on drawings is income for the firm. So comes on the credit side. Format thoroughly once this topic is very, very easy. By interest on drawings. Shrestha, Jyeshtha. Directly amount kotra problem irangilla. What is the interest on Shreshtha and Jyeshtha? It is 2,000 rupees and 1,500. Add both, outer column you can write 3,500. Interest on drawings, Shreshtha and Jyeshtha, it is 3,500. What is your next adjustment here? Yearly salary of Shrestha is 6,000 and commission to Jyeshtha is 4,000 remuneration. 2 salary and the birth 2 Shrestha. Yes, kotevi salary, yearly salary andar yearly salary directly 1 year salary, one ವರ್ಷ salary ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ. How much is the yearly salary? 6,000. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವರು monthly salary ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರ into 12 months ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Similarly, commission to Jyeshtha 4,000. To commission to Jyeshtha, how much it is? 4,000 rupees. That's it. Drawings during there and record madangilla. So now see, we have done prepared the account. It is just once if you keep the format ready, it's something, just fill in the blanks here. The most easiest topic in accountancy here, you can get 6 out of 6 here. Just 4 adjustments will come here. 3 adjustments on the debit side and 1 adjustments on the credit side. First now we have to close the account on this. Okay, now just see here. I'll make this little bit bigger one, just for totaling purpose. Next, see the total. Which side total is more? Okay, debit side 35 plus 6, 41, 45,000. I think credit side is more. Credits, which side total is more? First you have to find out. So credit side total is more. So answer will come on the debit side. Insufficient on the 4-5 lines. Just last line, draw the total line. 66,000 plus 3,500, it is 69,500. 69,500. Take your calculators for calculating this. 69,500. Same total na ikkada bariteni. 69,500 ante. Now from this 69,500 minus 35,000 minus 6,000 minus 4,000. Yes, Banta? 69,500 minus 45,000. 69,500 minus the 45,000. You will get the answer 24,500 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ 24,500 ನಮ್ದು ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? Now to whom this profit belongs to, students? This profit should be shared among the partners. Who are the partners? Shreshtha and Jyeshtha. What is their profit sharing ratio? If you observe here, the profit sharing ratio is 3:2. 3:2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3/5 and 2/5. This we have to show it here. Simple ga 4 line bidri anta helidde. So here, see the way of closing the account. Two partners capital account profit transferred. Okay, and that is your balancing figure. Underline ಮಾಡಿ. Who are the partners? Shrestha, Jyeshtha. Shrestha profit ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ? 24,500. ಶೇರ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? 3:2. 3:2 ಅಂದ್ರ 3/5. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 24,500 into 2/5. Do this in the calculator. 24,500 into 3 divided by 5. You will get 14,700. I will write this in the inner column. Similarly, 24,500 into 2 divided by 5. You will get 9,800. See, ಹೆಂಗ ಬರೀ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಾಜು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಪ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ students, let's move on to the next question now. You can see this on the board. Please zoom the screen so you can read the question carefully. Salim and Kader are partners, commence partnership business on 1/4/2024, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. So there are three partners now. Salim and Kader, two partners, and what is their profit sharing ratio? 3:2, with the capitals of rupees 1 lakh and 80,000 respectively. So Salim's capital is 1 lakh rupee and Kader's capital is 80,000. Capital is ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ information. Interest on capital calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ capital ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay. They earned a profit of rupees 25,000 for the year. So net profit transferred is 25,000 before making the allowing the adjustments. Adjustments ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? Let us read quickly. Interest on capital 10%, interest on drawings Salim and Kader, commission payable to Salim 2,000 per annum, salary payable to Kader 3,000 per annum. Very simple problem here. So without wasting much time, let us try to solve this. First thing ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Get the profit transferred. What is your profit here? 25,000. So by profit and loss account, net profit transferred. Net profit transferred. What is your net profit, students? 25,000 rupees. You can write this in the outer column, 25,000. Now what is your first adjustment now? Interest on capital at 10%. Interest on capital comes on the debit side. So as it is, 2 interest on capital, underline this. To interest on capital, what is the rate of interest here? 10%. So first, Salim, what is in the brackets? You can show the calculation. You have to show the calculation. This carries marks here. What is the Salim's capital? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 10/100. 10% under 10/100%, under 100. So 10/100 into 1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ, for 1 year. So 1 lakh 10% comes to how much? 10,000 rupees. Write this in the inner column. Okay. Similarly, Kader's capital is how much here? 80,000 into 10/100 into 1. 80,000 the 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8,000. Add both, double line. outer column you can show it as 18,000 rupees, one common figure. Okay. Next adjustment, interest on drawings. Where do we show interest on drawings? We show it on the credit side. By interest on drawings. By interest on drawings. Underline this. Salim and Kader. Salim has to 1,000. Salim 1,000 rupees. Kader 800 rupees. Together outer column 1,800. Okay. Third adjustment, commission payable to Salim. So to commission to who commission? Salim. To commission to Salim. How much is commission payable to Salim? 2,000 per annum. Directly yearly given. So 2,000 rupees I will write on the outer column. Salary payable to Kader. To salary. To salary. To whom? To Kader. How much is salary? That is also given yearly. If they have given yearly, directly write in the outer column. Monthly kotrandre into 12 months madbeka. So how much is the salary given? 3,000 rupees. That's it. So all the adjustments we have recorded now. Now it's the time to close the account now. What is their profit sharing ratio? Their profit sharing ratio of Salim and Kader is how much here? That is 3:2. Let's see. First, total this one. See which side total is more here. I think right 18 plus 20, 23. I think right side total is more. Sufficient lines you leave here. Last line, just draw the total line. Yes, whether they 25,000 plus 1,800. It is 26,800. Same totally right on the other side. 26,800. Now from this 26,800, you minus those three figures. Minus 18,000, minus 2,000 and minus 3,000. So the answer, the final answer comes to 3,800. This is the final answer. If credit side is more, it is a profit to us. Now this profit, what we do? We share this among the partners. Here, to partners capital account, it's profit transferred. Profit transferred, and this is your balancing the figure. To whom this profit belongs to? The partners Salim and Kader. What is the profit? 3,800 into what is their profit sharing ratio? 3:2. 3:2 means 3/5 for Salim, and for Kader 3,800 into 2/5. Share this now. 3,800 into 3 divided by 5. It is 2,280. Similarly, 3,800 into 2 divided by 5, you get 1,520. 1,520. When we add this, we get 3,800. Okay, students? Once just go through the solution here. Just 4 adjustments will come. I am repeating once again. 3 adjustments comes on the debit side of the account, that is interest on capital, salary, bonus, commission, and interest on partners loan, and 1 adjustment will come on the credit side, that is interest on drawings. Okay, students, then so just go through the solution here, right? So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. In my next videos I will be discussing some more interesting and very important topics for the exam point of view. So please, if you have liked my video, kindly subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you very much.